Myself Jashanpreet Singh of School KV Sunman Jammu is here with my model. The title of my model is Types of Function and sub-theme of my model is Mathematical Modeling. My model is basically based on the function and its type. To know what is function, the function is a special case of relation, and relation is the cross product of two sets, and cross product is the product of two sets. Well-defined statement. Now let's start. Now let's take a quick look on the flowchart. Types of function. Now let's take a look on the definition of the function. Function is a relation f from a to b is said to be a function if f relates every element of a to a unique element in b. We can say that in other words that there is always a unique image in set B. Now let's begin with the first example, which is not a function because there are two images in set B. This element has two images in set B. One is attached with this and another is attached with this. Now let's take another example in which there are all have unique images, but in set A there is one element left which have no images. Now third example, which is a function, it has all first element which is have images. The first type of function is one-one function. The definition of one-one function is a function f from a to b is said to be a one-one function if no two elements of a have same image in b. Now let's take the first example of the one-one function in which first element of set A is have pre-image in first element in set B, and second element in set B attached with the it's have pre-image in set B, and third element of set A has pre-image in set image in set B. Another example, it has all in set A, it has all images in set B. It is attached with this attached with this, and this attached with this. The second type of function is many-one function. Many-one function, the definition of many-one function is a function f from a to b said to be a many-one function if two or more elements of a have same image in set b. Now according to this statement, now let's take the first example of the many-one function. In set b there are one element or more than one element which has more than one pre-images in set A. Now let's take the second example of the many-one function in which all the element of set A has one unique images, but it is attached with same images, which is very difficult thing that this attached with this attached with this, and this attached with this, this is the unique images. Don't confuse with this because this has only one unique image, and this has this image, and this has this image. This type of function is into function. A function f from a to b is said to be an into function if there exists y belong which has no pre-image in set A. According to this statement that there is always a one or more than one element has no pre-image in set A. If we took example first that this element has no pre-image in set B. If now we take this example, there are more than one element which has no pre-images in set B A. The one and last function is onto function. According to the definition of onto function is a function f from A to B is said to be an onto function if every element of y belongs to B has a pre-image in A. According to this statement that there is always a pre-image in set A of set B. If we took example this that all the element of in set B have pre-images in set B. If we took another example that there is always have pre-images in set A.